And I'm Mrs. Laura, and you're here with LearnPal. So today we're gonna play with Play-Doh, and we're gonna practice cutting with scissors, okay? So first, you wanna say something?
Mm-hmm.
What do you wanna say?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. All right, let's open up our Play-Doh, okay?
Got it.
Ooh, what color Play-Doh do you have?
A purple.
Ooh, I like your color. And I've got blue. We're gonna take it all out, okay?
Got mine out.
No more? Oh, let me see. Oh, that's okay. You have a really good amount out. Okay, let's take the Play-Doh, and now we're gonna squeeze it in our hands, okay? Good job. Can you get all of your Play-Doh too in your hands?
Mm-hmm.
Nice job. So right now we're just gonna wake up our fingers, okay? Good job squeezing. Yeah. We're gonna switch hands. One in this hand, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh my goodness, let me see your muscles. Whoa, look at that. Okay, let's switch hands. Let me see the muscles in this hand. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh my goodness, whoa. We have strong muscles. Good job. So
I have a cutting piece.
oh my goodness, I see that. Okay, let's take our Play-Doh and let's turn it into a ball. You ready? Okay, we're gonna roll it in our hands a little bit. So you're gonna try to pick it up like this and put it inside the palm, in your palm, okay, Sadie? Can you try this, like this? Put it in your palm and try to hide it like this.
I can't.
Let me see. Oh, it's almost there. Like this, ready? Let me help you. Like this, we're gonna cover our hands, you see? And then we're gonna push together like this, okay? Don't squeeze too hard, just a little. You don't have to squeeze with your fingers. Oh, you can let your fingers loose, so let it loose like this. Yeah, and then we're gonna go like that. Okay, open your hand, let me see. Ooh, almost there. One more time like this. We're gonna put our hands together. Hold, 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 and open. Good job, that's really good. Okay, now let's tear it in half, okay? We're gonna pull it apart. Good job. Okay, we're only gonna use a little bit of the Play-Doh. Perfect. Okay, can we take this part of the Play-Doh? And let's make it into a hot dog.
Oh yeah.
So first, we can put it on the table, go back and forth. Good job. Oh my goodness, look how long yours is. It's so long, right? Okay, so now we're gonna leave it like this. Okay, let's leave it on the table. And let's take the other pieces and let's do the same thing. We're gonna make another hot dog. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna roll back and forth. So now we have two hot dogs. Whoa, that's a big hot dog. Keep rolling.
Oh my.
Good job.
It's thick.
It's really, yeah, it did stick. Good job.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so now we have 1, 2. Perfect. Now we need to teach our friends how to hold the scissors the right way. So let's tell them they have to use 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers. Because these 2 fingers right here, they're gonna go to sleep. They're sleeping in our hands. Okay, so don't wake them up, okay? So do you see the little circle in the scissors? That's for our thumb. Can you wiggle your thumb for me? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like this. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then these 2 fingers are gonna be best friends. They're gonna stick together. Watch how I put my fingers inside. My thumb goes in the small hole, and then these 2 fingers go in the big hole. So now I can cut with my scissors. Can you try? Okay, let me see. We're gonna put our thumb in the small hole. You got it. Yay, you got it. And now we're gonna cut our little hot dog into little pieces. Okay? Good job. And I like how you have your thumb on top that's holding it. Here, let's cut it this way. Ready? You're gonna keep like this. You're gonna open and close, okay? And I want you to try to keep your elbow down next to your body, like this. Ready? We're gonna try to keep our elbows down next to our body while we cut, and we're gonna keep the hot dog right in front of us, okay? I know it's kind of tricky, but I really want you to try your best. We're gonna get better and better with more practice. Good job, and squeeze. Oh my goodness, good job. Let's try this one. Good job. Now boys and girls, make sure your thumb is on top, just like Sadie. She's got her thumb on top. She's doing a good job. You're doing it the right way. Oops. Nice job. Okay. I'm gonna keep our hands in front. Good job. Okay. Here, you wanna cut that last little piece off? Here, it helps if you go like this. Keep the scissors in front of you, and then we're gonna cut it like that. Oh, look, you just did it. Good job. And again. You got it. Good job. Let's try this really big hot dog. Oh my goodness, look how big that one is. Let's see if we can cut that one.
Yeah.
Now I want you to hold it like this, with your thumb on top, okay? And then let's cut right here at the edge first, okay? Like this, yeah. It's a really big one. We might have to make it a little smaller, but let's see if you can do it. I love how you're trying really hard. Good job. Let's keep our elbows down next to our body like this. Here, I'm gonna help you. Ready? I know it's kind of tricky. Good job. Okay, we're gonna turn it this way again here. And let's cut.
I want to put it down.
Yeah, here. How about I make it, can I make it smaller for you? Is that okay? Maybe it'll be easier. Let's see. Because it's kind of tricky when it's really thick. So if you're having a hard time too, try to make it a little bit smaller.
Oh man.
Oh, we got 3 fingers in the bottom. Oh, but you saw that. Good job. You know that wasn't right, right? We fixed it. There you go. You got it. Here, I cut off a little piece for you. Let's try now. Okay, elbows down. Uh-oh. Our elbows are up. We want to keep our elbows down next to our body, okay? Yeah. Nice job. Okay. Good job working so hard. I'm so proud of you. You're doing so good. I'm going to try to stick it inside. There you go. Almost got it. Okay. All right, boys and girls, we're gonna finish cutting our Play-Doh, so I want you to finish cutting yours, and then we're gonna see you guys all next time for the next activity, okay? Let's say bye to our friends.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.